Alright, cool. So for any of those who have ever had this issue, okay, so Volkswagen Golf R, common issues anytime you get new wheels, this little thing will pop up out of nowhere. See that little orange light with the exclamation mark? That basically means that there is a tire pressure issue. No, there isn't a tire pressure issue, but what does happen is it does play with the system. So obviously it doesn't recognize that they're original wheels, so then that will pop up. A lot of people have been wondering, how am I going to fix this? How is this going to go away? Because it doesn't go away. And usually what people do is they take it to a dealership, they basically clear the code, but there is an easy way to do so. So, glove box, all you got to do is open it up. If you just look right underneath, you'll see a little button just at the top, just here. That look familiar? Look the same? All you got to do is hold on to that button, just hold on to it for about 3 to 5 seconds, and what happens is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and guess what? Hey presto, she's gone. And if you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up if it was good, for more in the future. Thanks.